So what is it about this piece that makes everybody go ooh and ah?
That's
It's broken every single rule. It's in the center.
one.
What's going on here?
It has
Why is this? Why are we like?
Yeah.
It has some quiet
So it's
The mark making,
coming
the
out of
color
the
blend.
angst. I think that background was like the angst, and then all of a sudden, it's becoming what is presenting.
Yeah. Now there's all beauty in here. Right? It's soft, it's gentle, it's quiet, it's strong, it's powerful. Do we have a 1/3, 2/3?
kind of.
Kind of, right? We kind of have it there. What we have is we have a more. The red dominates this area, which is nice. The green kind of. Everything is in harmony. It's like a balance. It's harmoniously placed together. And this is the one that I would say kind of breaks the rule, but for me, it's like it works.
But that's just like really, I like
You
that.
feel, exactly.
Not really though, because the leaf takes you up to the flower and the flower takes you back down to the
Yeah,
other
there
leaves.
is
You
that,
keep
and
going
that is
like that.
Yeah, so that part of it, she was really, really attentive to. So
Yeah.
in her reference, she go ahead,
It looks like it has a personality.
and it has a
It's-
personality.
It's
Right.
like, here I am.
So what's going on here? Okay, so what's going on here that we? Okay, this is the next level. I said at the end of all those points of your design elements of composition, the story, and this is a pure example of what the story would be. It's like here I am. This is my story. This is what I am, and something is being presented to you now that is intriguing. You're looking at it. You're going, oh. It's like it goes beyond. We're going beyond something that is, you know, that it's not in your face. It's subtle. It's penetrating. It's doing this. The more you look at it, you're like, that is an interesting piece.
It
So
kind of has the feel of Magritte to me.
yeah,
Yeah.
it has
See
like the
how
feel of
it's
Magritte
yeah.
surrealism, right? There's a sense of surrealism. So you're actually traversing now in those areas. It's well done. And you know, there was a sense of confusion also initially on the first day because it's normal. And then we spoke about it. I said, let's simplify it. And she went home. She did all her reference and research. She said, this is what I want to do. So I'm just going to share. Is her story is about light. It's about emanating light in everything that she sees. I think this says it right there. You see? There it is. It's like simple to the point. It's heartwarming. It comes and get you.
Just all the mark making in the
The
background.
mark making. Look at the marks.
Incredible.
Look how it penetrates. Like it scintillates, right?
The tension between the dark values and the light values
Yeah, it's really
just
strong.
really captures,
Isn't that
touches the eye.
powerful? Yeah.
But how did she get such a straight stem? Is she the steadiest person in the world?
It's right there.
And
Okay. Yeah. And so it has that. It has that emanation of like this glory be thy name kind of thing that comes forward.
Strength
And-
and beauty amongst just whatever gets
So-
thrown at her.
Then
So
this-
how would she use varnish to really bring
Okay, I
that
can do
light
the
out?
varnish on this. This is a good example that I can do, but I have to have her permission before I do that. And but yeah, I can definitely use the varnish on this. And I'm not sure if I'm the one who wants to touch it or if I'd let her do it. It's such a delicate personal piece, but I would definitely cover this entire thing in varnish. Prior to doing that, I would clean all these edges up because my paint would pick this up, right? You know. And then I told her I would come in and I would show her a little something that basically once you've cleaned this up, if you're capable of taking this little bit of orange and kind of like I'm doing with you, all right? And you put just a bit of that orange on the outside, the tulip is going to start to scintillate. And if you take a bit of this yellow and you just put the yellow on the outside of the stem, on the outside part, just touch, it's going to scintillate. So that is another element that you can do where it starts to come together.
So after you do the varnish, then you put those in?
Yeah, because what
Okay.
happens is that if you don't like it, you just wipe it right off. Like right now, it's so porous that if you put it in, it's going to stay in there.
But she cleans the edges up first.
I would clean the edges up first, yeah. Okay. Definitely use it to clean up because it's still porous, so you want that. But those sort of details afterwards. Remember when you do the varnish, if you don't like it with a wet cloth, you just remove it.